everyone, this is Josh Unlimited and I'm pursuing MBA from SIBM Pune. So, since the last video I posted, I have been getting so many messages and comments on how to improve accuracy for SNAP examination, how to improve the scores while giving mocks. So, in this video, I'll be sharing the tips that help me improve my score in SNAP examination. So I would like to mention that I gave SNAP examination during 2022 and 2023. So in 2022, I got a percentile of around 46 percentile. I guess I didn't check it properly. I just closed the window and didn't even download the scorecard. And in 2023, I got a percentile of 99.6. So, what helped me to get from there to this percentile? First of all, I would like to say that sorry for the delay of this video. I've been getting messages since past few days and I was a bit busy in like all the activities at SIBM Pune. So, I hope this video is useful for all those people who have to give third attempt of SNAP or any subsequent attempts during the following years. Okay, so the first tip is start giving mocks. If you haven't been giving, or if you have been giving, now that you have 6 days in front of you, just give at least 6 mocks in these days. And when you give mocks, analyze them properly. Give at least 1 to 1.5 hours to do the analysis. Here, you have to redo the questions that you made an error in. You have to see if you left any easy question during the mock. And you can also look if there was an easier way to do a question that you may have taken a longer time to do otherwise. So, you have to think on these three lines and just try to polish your strategy while giving that examination. Trust me, it is going to help you a lot. For mocks, I would suggest that I personally gave Mission Cat mocks. There's a YouTube channel of Sony Goyal sir, and his mocks were utmost useful to me. So you can look for his channel, or you can go through any other channel like IMS or Times. Now, talking about subject wise improvements. So, for VA section, I would say that you need to prepare a notebook of all the questions that you have been solving while giving mocks or while doing practice questions, and you need to revisit these questions frequently. Also, very important it is that you need to visit the previous year questions of verbal section, because I remember there were a few idioms that were asked in all the years. So you need to revisit all the questions that you solved in mocks and in the previous year questions. For LR section, start practicing the questions with a timer. Try to give yourself some difficult timelines, for example, solving 60 questions in an hour, and try to mix questions of different types. For example, you can take 10 questions of clocks, 10 questions of calendars, 10 of blood relations, and mix and match them to create a good question paper. And this will help you improve your accuracy and your thinking abilities. For quant section, try to solve more and more questions that will help you improve your speed. And apart from that, one tip that can differentiate your preparation is that you can start to make some intelligent guesses. Sometimes it is not an intelligent move to solve the entire question to get the answer right, especially when it comes to SNAP examination, which is more of a speed test. So you need to know how to make an intelligent guess. So look for the question. If the question say makes it very evident that the answer is going to end with 5, do not waste your time in calculating if there is one option with which ends with 5. So try to make intelligent guesses in quant section. Now, coming to the exam strategy that can be used to maximize score. So I personally gave 2 attempts of SNAP last year, and in both of the attempts I used different strategies. So the strategy that I used in first attempt was I solved all the easy VA questions in around 10 minutes, and in the next 20 minutes I solved all the doable LR questions that I found easy, and in the next 20 minutes I solved all the quant questions I could. And in the remaining 10 minutes that I had, I revisited all the questions beginning from VA. So here what I did was I read the question, and if I could find the answer, I would mark it, and if I could not find the answer, I would make a guess. So I attempted all the questions. Yes, I did not leave any questions. I did make some bluffs in this exam, and my final score was 42.5. So, this strategy will work for you if you have practiced it in mocks and seen if this works for you or not. And secondly, if you are not able to solve a lot of questions in less time. So, my personal opinion was very clear. I had to get into either SIBM Pune or SMERD Pune, so scoring less than a given number of score was anyway not feasible for me. So I tried to make a guess, and there was a chance of 25% to get the answer right, and it is a good enough probability. But there's a caution: do test this approach in your mocks. Do not attempt it straight away on the D day, it is going to backfire. So, the second strategy that I used is attempting only those questions that I could answer. So, in my second attempt, I could answer a decent number of questions, and only around 4 to 5 questions were left, and I thought that it will be better that I leave those questions because I was confident of the accuracy that I had attempted the other questions with. And in this attempt, I got 47.5 score. So you need to see which strategy works for you. You have 6 days. Try both the strategies and see what works for you. And if you have any other questions, let me know. I'll make a video for that as well. Thank you.